Hi, today I want to show you how I'll remove magnification to your Xiaomi Redmi 14C. To do this, open Settings application, scroll and look for your additional settings selection. In it, we must tap on Accessibility and Vision. Where we have our magnification option, we tap on it, and there we must turn on our first function, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut magnification. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. You can also change position of your zoom using two fingers and swipe with it on screen. When you use one finger, you can only go up and down. You can also zoom on or zoom out using this feature. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!